Hi, this is Dave from New Mac Equipment. Just doing a quick video on a Takang TK330 lathe that we've got for sale. So I'll just do a quick walk around. So there's a 4-jaw chuck. It's the back of the machine. It's in the tray. It's got a fixed steady, faceplate and a dog plate for turning between centres. Machine's fitted with a chuck guard. General condition is very good. Okay, so all the knobs and handles look good. It's an ex-school machine, so it's got a red cut-off button down the bottom. Okay, so I'll just start the machine. So obviously it's got the usual forward and reverse. Foot brake, which works very well. So just put it into reverse. And stop. Okay, back to the forwards. And what I'll do now is just engage the feed, which is that lever. And you can see it's a cross feed working. And I'll disengage that. And I'll push this knob in, which I might need 2 hands to do. Okay, so once that's in, we have longitudinal feed. See that's working. Okay, that probably needs to be in a neutral position before we can engage the lead screw, which is, you see that's that lever, that's all working. Okay, so I'll just stop the video and then I'll change the spindle speed. And you can hear it running a few different speeds. Okay, so this is now a slow speed. So basically I've just changed this lever from high to low. Okay. So I'll just turn on the coolant pump. There won't be any coolant in it, so there shouldn't be, but I think you can hear the coolant pumps running.